You might be using the wrong oil. A guide to cooking oils and when to use them. Are you choosing the right cooking oil? A comprehensive guide to cooking oils and their best uses. When it comes to cooking oils, the choices can be overwhelming. From canola and avocado to safflower and olive oil, understanding which oil to use and when can significantly impact your culinary creations. Meet Joey Skladany. Joey Skladany is not just a writer and editor. He is a multifaceted personality in the culinary world. With experience as a TV and radio host, a lifestyle expert, and a former entertainment publicist, he has authored the book Basic Bitchin'. His work has graced major food and travel publications, and he frequently appears on The Today Show. In his leisure time, Joey enjoys volleyball, beach outings, interior design, and honing his stand-up comedy skills. Expertise in kitchen essentials. Joey's knowledge spans kitchen tools, appliances, new kits, food science, and subscription services, making him a reliable source for culinary advice. The versatility of oil. Cooking oils are incredibly versatile. They not only assist in preparing our favorite proteins and vegetables, but also enhance dressings and baked goods, contributing to both flavor and moisture. Certain oils, like olive and coconut oil, can even be applied to skin and hair for their hydrating properties. But not all oils are created equal. While olive oil is a staple in many kitchens, it's essential to recognize that it may not be suitable for every cooking task. The subtleties of different oils can make a significant difference in your cooking outcomes. To provide clarity on the most commonly used oils and their specific applications, we consulted culinary experts for their insights. Common cooking oils and their uses. Guido Parati, the owner of Parla Con Mangi in Rapallo, Italy, is well-versed in culinary education. His deli offers a wide range of Italian delicacies, and he also conducts seminars and tastings to showcase local ingredients. According to Parati, the most crucial factor in selecting an oil for cooking is its smoke point. A high smoke point means the oil can endure higher temperatures without smoking or breaking down, which is vital for cooking proteins like red meat that require intense heat and longer cooking times. After all, if oil is meant to facilitate a perfect sear or crunch, it should not evaporate before the cooking process is complete. Here's a detailed list of common cooking oils, excluding olive oil, which will be discussed separately. B. Canola or vegetable oil, best for cooking, baking, and frying. Vegetable oil has a neutral flavor and a high smoke point, making it ideal for frying, sautéing, and high-temperature cooking. It's also great for seasoning cast-iron cookware. Sesame oil, best for finishing. With its strong, nutty flavor, especially when toasted, sesame oil is perfect for adding depth and aroma to dishes, particularly in Asian cuisine. Coconut oil, best for cooking and baking. Coconut oil has a sweet tropical flavor and a medium smoke point, making it suitable for cooking and finishing, especially in desserts or Asian-inspired dishes. Avocado oil, best for cooking, baking, and frying. With a delicate, buttery taste and one of the highest smoke points, avocado oil is excellent for high-heat cooking and can also be used raw as a finishing oil. Sunflower or safflower oil, best for cooking and frying. These oils have a neutral flavor and a high smoke point, making them suitable for high-temperature cooking and frying. A closer look at olive oil. Olive oil is arguably the most recognized cooking oil, comparable to wine in its variety of flavors, origins, and pairings. For instance, Allpress Olive Groves in New Zealand offers tastings that allow guests to explore the unique flavor profiles of their oils, including blends that can enhance or balance flavors. Just like expertly crafted wines or coffees, olive oil blends are designed to provide a harmonious mix of flavors and aromas, explains Erin Butterworth, who manages events and marketing for Allpress. By blending different olive varieties, we create oils that are complex and rich in flavor, with notes ranging from fruity and grassy to peppery and nutty. This versatility makes olive oil suitable for various culinary uses, such as drizzling over salads, finishing dishes, or enhancing baked goods. The art of blending ensures that each bottle offers a consistent and delightful flavor profile, encouraging creativity in the kitchen and elevating everyday meals. Types of olive oil. While extra virgin olive oil is considered the highest quality, there are other more affordable options and blends that may suit your cooking needs better. IPE. What is it? Flavor, smoke point, best use. Spicy and bold fruity, vinegar. Traditional coconut oil, dessert. Inspired by the boldness of fresh olives. Best used, virgin, cold pressed with slightly higher acidity and less intense flavor. Mild, 390. Cure, classic. A blend of refined and a small amount of virgin or extra virgin olive oil. Neutral, 465 degrees Fahrenheit. Frying, roasting. Light, extra light. Heavily refined oil with minimal flavor and color. Very neutral, 470 degrees Fahrenheit. Baking, high heat cooking. Understanding olive oil flavor profiles. Fruity, a classic favorite that is smooth and balanced, enhancing any dish. Best for salads and fresh vegetables. Nutty, creamy and rich, reminiscent of butter but better. Ideal for baked goods, pastas and grilled meats. Peppery, bold and intense. This oil makes a statement. Great for dipping bread or finishing cooked vegetables and meats. Tips for purchasing olive oil. While many mass-produced olive oils may suffice, they often lack the exceptional taste and cooking experience that high-quality oils provide. Butterworth suggests keeping the following 4 factors in mind when shopping. Freshness. Olive oil is best when fresh. Similar to fruit juice, look for a harvest or pressed-on date. Aim for oils from the last 12 to 18 months for optimal flavor and health benefits. Free fatty acids, FFA. This marker indicates how well the olives were handled post-harvest. Lower is better. Extra virgin olive oil should have an FFA below 0.8%. with premium brands aiming for below 0.3%. So, everyone's palate is unique, so the best oil for one person may not suit another. Sampling oils in store can help you find your preferred flavor profile. Packaging quality. Quality oils should be in dark glass, tin, or opaque containers to protect them from light, which can degrade flavor. Avoid clear plastic bottles unless you use them quickly. Innovative uses for olive oil. Olive oil isn't just for cooking, baking, and finishing dishes. Chef Michael Morandi from Lake Como's Grand Hotel Victoria considers his favorite Vanini brand olive oil a key ingredient in his culinary creations. He often experiments with custom blends to achieve specific flavor profiles and smoke points. Some of his recent innovative dishes include coriander-infused olive oil for sea bass ceviche. This oil is made using a cold extraction method that preserves its purity. Fresh coriander leaves are blanched, cooled, and blended with sunflower oil and olive oil. Dark chocolate desserts. We drizzle extra virgin olive oil infused with tonka bean over dark chocolate desserts with figs and Maldon salt, creating a warm, balsamic aroma that surprises the palate. Raviolo. In a raviolo filled with scampi and lime, bergamot oil enhances the citrus freshness without overwhelming acidity. Final thoughts. Choosing the right cooking oil can significantly affect your culinary results. Are you using the best oil for your cooking needs? What are your thoughts on the various oils discussed? Share your opinions in the comments below. The seed oil panic. Debunking myths with science. The seed oil controversy, where online hysteria collides with scientific reality. In today's world, the debate surrounding seed oils has ignited a firestorm of opinions, often fueled by misinformation and emotional reactions. Many people are quick to label seed oils as harmful, but the reality is far more nuanced. This discussion is not just about dietary choices. It touches on broader themes of health, nutrition, and the influence of social media on public perception. But here's where it gets controversial. While some claim that seed oils are detrimental to our health, scientific research presents a different picture. Seed oils, such as canola, sunflower, and soybean oil, are often criticized for their high omega-6 fatty acid content. Critics argue that an excess of omega-6s can lead to inflammation and various health issues. However, it's essential to understand that omega-6 fatty acids are not inherently bad. They play a crucial role in our body's functioning. The key lies in the balance between omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids, which are found in foods like fish and flax seeds. Many health experts emphasize that moderation is vital. For instance, a diet rich in whole foods,